I'm not going to surrender, Democrats. We're not going to surrender as Democrats and allow Social Security to be privatized. Social Security is needed. Our people need it. By the way, people of all hues need it. Thank you very much. And I thank my colleagues who are here representing the state of Texas as representatives and senators. I thank you because you're making a difference. And I thank you for your hospitality that you've shown us since we've been here. It means something to me to come to Austin, Texas, and see you at work. But I'm also proud of something. I am very proud to be a Democrat. And I'm proud to be a Democrat because Democrats will stop the move to privatize Social Security. We just had a Republican administrative official who has indicated that the privatization of Social Security is on the table. I'm a Democrat. Democrats own Social Security. We gave birth to it. I'm not going to surrender, Democrats. We're not going to surrender as Democrats and allow Social Security to be privatized. Social Security is needed. Our people need it. By the way, people of all hues need it. This is not something for minority people. Of all hues, Democrats fight to protect Social Security. I'm proud to be a Democrat because Democrats are fighting to protect your health care. We're going to continue to fight to protect your health care. And I'm proud of what I did when I stood up before the president and told him, you don't have a mandate. You don't have a mandate to eviscerate, I didn't use that term then, but you don't have a mandate to eliminate Medicaid. And then I went on to say Medicare, and I went on to say Social Security. And I'm proud of this. I am not ashamed to be a Democrat who's on the front line to protect the needs of all of the people in the state of Texas. Democrats are not just fighting so that we can have Republican opportunities or Democratic opportunities. We are fighting to make sure that all of the people in the state of Texas are protected with good health care, good retirements, and that includes Social Security, good education, and that includes everybody should have a good education. And we also want to make sure that injustice does not take place in Texas as it will under this map. This map is a gross injustice. Dr. King reminded us that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. That means that if this map goes through, if it passes, it will then be an opportunity for the injustice to move to the county level, might move to various commissioners' courts, or to city council level, or school boards, or to the state reps, or to state senates, and not just in Texas, but around the country. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. And finally, the president was being very, very clever when he sent his letter by and through his agent in the Justice Department indicating that racial gerrymandering had taken place in Texas. Now, who believes that? Who believes that the Texas legislature and the Texas Senate drew maps so that they could intentionally allow minorities to have seats, intentionally? The Attorney General himself said that's not true. That's not true. Prominent senator said that the map was colorblind, and it still is according to them. So the president used that term because he knew that it would incite people. He wanted to incite people to believe that what he wanted done would be justified because minorities were somehow being given a privilege that they shouldn't have. That's what he was doing. He knew what he was doing. Very clever. But we're going to stand up against this. And the truth of the matter is, somebody has to have the courage to say that it's racism. Unfortunately, we have grown to the point in this country where you can use racism against people of color, but people of color can't respond and say, that's racism. If we do, you're not going to print it. You're not going to carry it. What you're going to do is allow the racist statement to prevail, and what we try to do to fight it by indicating that it is racist, you allow that to just be words that evaporate into nothingness. So I just challenge you, the members of the press. None of these friends of mine are doing it. They're not doing this. This is Al Green. I'm a liberated Democrat. I challenge you. Tell the truth. Let the world know that President Trump is using race and that we're responding to it. I'm a liberated Democrat. I thank you.